And so if there was a type 2 civilization, could you detect it? What would it look like? If you're looking at invisible light, the kind of light that the sun primarily gives off, they would be blocking that light to absorb that energy for their needs. So you would see an ordinary star just begin to disappear as they built structures around it to absorb that energy. Well, there's no such thing as a free lunch in the universe. You can't just take the sun's energy and then have the energy disappear. It manifests as heat. It takes that light through the solar panels. The star would slowly disappear from a, quote, a regular looking star and would ultimately appear as a red glow in your infrared telescopes. So there was a recent study in a peer-reviewed journal, the Monthly Notices of the Royal Astronomical Society, one of the more respected journals in the world, of a study that's just simply looking for these red glowing blobs in the galaxy, in the pre-existing data that's already out there. Didn't even have to design a telescope for this. The telescopes are already bringing in the data. They're just asking a different question on those images. So out of a sample of millions of stars, they found 7 candidates that might be one of these type 2 civilizations. Or it could be some gas cloud that was warmed up and is radiating infrared. So, of course, the press loves aliens. If your first guess is, there's an alien civilization that's making this infrared, the press will talk about the work. If it's, well, it could be gas clouds that have been warmed with dust in them that have been warmed by this energy that's been radiated, and it's masquerading as what could be a type 2 civilization. You can't rule that out either. As a scientist, just because you don't fully understand what you observed, it doesn't mean aliens did it.